Alright, so check this out. I just made my very first two sales with the multiple income funnel program. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I did this and how you can do the exact same thing when you decide to join multiple income funnel. So check this out. These are two sales that I made, and both of them are $20 commissions that I got. These are monthly recurring sales, by the way. So it's meaning that, the person that you refer, as long as they continue their membership, I'll get $20 from them every single month, which is pretty cool. But I want to show you exactly how I made these first two sales so you could do the same thing. And also a little bit later on this video, I got a really funny story to share regarding these first two sales, and it's a bit of a issue that I had, but it's a bit of a funny story anyways, right? So before we dive into things, if you like these kinds of videos about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, or creating passive income online, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that show you exactly how to do that. So again, if you like these videos, consider subscribing down below, and this way you'll never miss out on anything brand new, right? So at any point in this video, if you decide that you want to check out the exact program that I'm leveraging and you want to get in on the action, all you have to do is visit the link down below. It'll take you to this page right here. All you have to do is simply enter your name and email, check out the video, and then from there you can decide for yourself if you, of course, want to get in on the program, right? So this program in particular, multiple income funnel, how exactly does it all work, right? So this is a system that allows you to promote multiple different affiliate programs with just one link, right? So with this program, it's set up into 4 simple steps that you want to follow. And by the way, if you're someone who is, non-technical, or if you're completely brand new and you haven't really had much experience yet, this entire system, these 4 videos, it breaks down everything for you to the point where even the complete newbie can, of course, follow through and get up and running, right? So you have 4 main steps that you want to go through, but specifically with step number 2, this is where you will set up your different income streams, right? So with multiple income funnel, you have the system itself you can earn from. You have another program called Easy One Up. You have TechSpot, which is a bit of a newer SMS marketing system. And then you also have income stream number 4, which is traffic authority, right? Now, as an affiliate, you could decide to promote any of these programs individually if you want to, or you could promote the multiple income funnel system itself and then earn from each of the different income streams because, well, these videos in here, they do all the selling and selling for you, right? So that's really the benefit with this exact program right here. But ideally what you want to do is you want to go through the 4 steps and you want to set up your different income streams, right? So by default, when you get signed up, multiple income funnel will be fully configured and ready to go for you. So you just need to go to income stream number 2. You'll want to, of course, watch the video that it has right here to, of course, learn more about it. And then you'll want to go ahead and create an account. And once you do that, it'll have a field right here where you could put in your username that you have, and then you click on the button that says save. Now, in my case, it doesn't say this because I've already done this, but you'll want to go ahead and do that with each of the different income streams, right? And the reason why this is important is because, well, if you refer someone to multiple income funnel and they decide to go through the steps and they set up an account for, for example, TechSpot, and you don't have an account for that, well, then you're basically missing out on the commission, right? So that'll go up to the person that referred you, which you don't want to be missing out on any commission. So it's very important that you have everything in place and everything ready to go, and that way you could really maximize your earnings, right? So you do the same for income stream number 4 as well. And once you have everything set up, then it really comes down to promoting the exact program, right? So you finish all the steps, and then here, what you want to do is you want to come up to the top up here where it says links, and this will give you access to different capture pages and sales videos that are already done for you, right? So the benefit with this exact program right here is, unlike a lot of other affiliate programs or other courses that you may have gone through in the past, where you have to go out there, you have to create your own sales funnels, you have to, record your own videos. This program in particular does that for you, right? So it provides you with different capture pages that are converting very well for other people. And all you have to do is simply get eyeballs to one of these capture pages. So, here's one right here that it has. You could, use any of these other ones if you want to as well. Right? So you could use like this one, for example. This is also converting very well. And pretty much the main thing that you want to, of course, focus on is getting eyeballs to any of these capture pages. Now, the question is, how exactly do you go about doing that? Well, there's a few ways that you, of course, go about that. But the main way that Mac recommends, the creator in this program, is using a source known as traffic authority, right? So this is the 4th income stream inside of this program right here. And with traffic authority, you could buy clicks anywhere from 170 clicks all the way up to 8,400 clicks. And of course, the more clicks you buy, that'll of course depend on The more clicks you get will depend on the the price, obviously. But the benefit here is you could start very small, so start with $200 if you want to, and then you could decide to go up as you are scaling up, right? So the benefit with this exact source right here is you don't have to necessarily write out your own emails yourself. You don't have to learn copywriting, or you don't have to learn how to create videos, because with this exact source right here, the creators of this program, they have their email list that they've built up. They have different email lists, and basically what they will do is they will write down an email to their list, to a certain amount of their subscribers, promoting your link that you want to promote, right? So as long as you can get people on this page and they are entering their name and email, well, they're pretty much tied to you, right? Once they do that, anything that they buy afterwards, after watching the video, you will get those commissions as well, right? So that is really a benefit with this exact program, right? So pretty much the name of the game is you want to consistently be filling your funnel with traffic, and the more that you do this, the more consistent that you are with this, then the better results you will have for the long term, right? So this is one way you can go about it. Another method is you could use Facebook. So you can go on Facebook, you can go to different Facebook groups like online business opportunities, right? You could join groups just like these. You can interact with any of these members right here. You could connect with people one-on-one. This is mainly for people who don't have like a budget to spend on advertising, or if you have lots of free time and you want to get more people without having to spend any extra money. This is one thing you could do. You can connect with people one-on-one, build up a friends list, and as you're doing that, you want to be creating content on your Facebook profile, and the more consistent that you are with this, then again, the better results you will have for the long term right there, right? So this is another method that you could use to get traffic over to your link, but you could also use YouTube. And again, it really comes down to creating content, interacting with people. You could do paid traffic as well. You could do a combination of multiple methods if you want to. Like in my case, I'm doing YouTube and solo ads as of right now. And by doing this consistently, this is what's led me to getting my very first 2 sales of this program. Now, I have a bit of a funny story that I want to share real quick, and regarding these first 2 sales. So inside of the multiple income funnel program, one of the steps that you have to go through is you have to set up an e-wallet, right? So that is step number 3. You want to go ahead and set up this e-wallet, and the reason why this is important is because this is how income streams number 1 and 4 pay out. So they pay out their commissions with this e-wallet, and you have to go through, you have to get it set up, and it's basically like submit like a few documents for verification, and then once you do that, you of course get set up, right? Now in my case, I had a little bit of trouble getting this set up for some reason, and so this took me like quite a few days, or quite a few weeks actually, which is kind of embarrassing, but I had some trouble setting this up because the name that I had on my account was my short name, Arie, which is the name that you know. But my full name, I don't really talk about this. My full name is Aristotle, and so that is the name that I have on my ID. And when I submitted my ID along with the the W-9 form, then they're kind of like, well, name doesn't match, so you need to do this again. And I kept doing it, and then I finally reached out to their email, their support, and I'm like, can I have the name of my account changed, right? So it took them another few days to do this, which I was getting kind of anxious because, well, here I was starting to think, like, what if all of a sudden I made some sales but didn't know about it? Like, what if someone bought and it went up to my, the person that, referred me, because if I don't have this set up, I can't get paid. So all this time I'm going into the program, I'm checking the team tab to see if anyone's joined, and nobody joined yet. So I'm kind of like thinking, like, what if it's because of this? And I was starting to feel kind of anxious, but then finally last night I checked it, and then I saw those first 2 sales that have of course come in, right? And I do have the names over here on the right, but I don't want to reveal them publicly, right? So that's pretty much the story that I want to share, which it's kind of funny because I didn't get notified for these 2 sales, which is kind of similar to like the first program that I got success with. The first sale that I made, for some reason I didn't get like a notification from it. But yeah, so pretty much the main thing is, everything worked out in the long term, and it really just comes down to, as long as you're consistently filling your funnel with traffic, then the better your results will be for the long term, right? So again, if you're on this video right now and you want to get access to this exact system, all you have to do is check out the link down below, go through the steps, watch a video, get set up, and when you sign up to income stream number 2, which is Easy 1 Up, and you come in at the very highest level, which is the Vertex Live, the $2,000 level, I've got some really cool bonuses that I want to give you when you decide to join through me, right? So the very first bonus that you get access to is the YouTube selling system. This will show you how to get high quality traffic from YouTube over to any offer it is that you're promoting. So if you're promoting the multiple income funnel and you want to use YouTube, this is a great way to do that, with free traffic. So if you don't have money to spend in advertising, you can start with this method right here. If you don't want to do YouTube and you want to learn something like Facebook ads, I've got another really cool bonus that will show you how to use Facebook ads as well. So this is without ever having to worry about getting banned. And if you've had any experience with Facebook ads, you know that they tend to be very strict, right? So this will show you how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned. You'll also get access to the Massive Traffic Formula. This is a training created by a 7-figure earning by the name of Paulo Barroso. And this is his method on how he uses solo ads to get high quality traffic online and how to convert that traffic into actual buyers, right? So you'll learn that as well. You'll learn how to use massive mini chat to get, commissions as well. And this is another really great traffic source, kind of like having an email list, but think of that instead of Facebook Messenger, right? So this is also known to be a very powerful method. You'll learn how to use Facebook chat mastery. So if you want to learn how to connect with people one-on-one, and build up connections that way, that's what this bonus will go over there. This is another free traffic source that you could use, and it's very high quality if you're consistent with it, right? You'll also get some email swipes, hypnotic storytelling. Most important ingredient for success, you'll learn how to create a crystal clear vision for your future. And then, of course, you'll also get access to the Facebook community where you could ask any questions that you have, right? So anyways, if you want to get access to this exact program and you are ready to, of course, get up and running, all you have to do is visit the link down below, go through the entire steps, get set up with income stream number 2. That's the most important in my opinion. You want to come in at the highest level possible, and this way it'll maximize your results for the long term, right? Anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.